Hey go-heads! If you're a fan of American muscle, get ready to rev your engines because Chevrolet is bringing back a legendary nameplate with the new 2025 Camaro Z28. This beast is set to turn heads and burn rubber like never before. The Z28 badge has always been synonymous with raw power and track-ready performance, and the 2025 Camaro Z28 is no exception. This iconic model traces its roots back to the late 1960s, when it dominated the Trans Am Racing series. Let's get straight to what makes the Z28 a true muscle car: its engine. Under the hood, you'll find a monstrous 6.6-liter V8 engine, capable of cranking out a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, giving you full control over every shift and an old-school driving experience that purists will love. Even though the Z28 is all about performance, Chevy hasn't skimped on technology. The car comes with a customizable digital instrument cluster, a high-definition touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium audio system. For those who want to take it to the next level, Chevrolet is offering a track pack upgrade. This includes stickier tires, a more aggressive suspension setup, and carbon ceramic brakes. These enhancements shave off even more weight and add even more grip, making the Z28 an absolute monster on the track. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Camaro Z28 is expected to start around $70,000, which is a steal considering the performance and heritage you're getting. But don't wait too long. This is likely to be a limited production model, and enthusiasts are already lining up to get their hands on one. So there you have it, Joeheads, the new 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, a true American muscle car that's ready to dominate both the street and the track. What do you think? Is this the Camaro you've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car content. Until next time, keep your foot on the gas.